Hey guys, so today I wanted to film this super quick and easy makeup tutorial for those of you on your way to work or school. This is what I do literally every day. I get up at like around 4:15 a.m. every day for work, and so this is what I do every day. This is my morning routine. And it is just super quick, super easy, and it's foolproof, and I think it looks great. I would definitely recommend. I'm only going to be using 5 products, so it's super quick and easy. If you want to add to this at all, by all means, do so if you have the time for it. But this is what I usually like. This usually takes me 4:15, 4:40. This routine usually takes me about 15 minutes, but that's because I like to take my time, and sometimes I'll add things and sometimes I'll subtract things. So it just really, just do whatever you prefer, but this is what I like to do in the mornings. I've already washed and moisturized my face, so right now I'm just gonna get right into concealer. I don't like to use a foundation in the morning because that takes extra time. So I'll just take this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealer, and I'll just spot conceal all of my blemishes, and I'll go over all my redness. Right now I have a lot of redness because it's super hot in here. But I'll basically use this as my foundation. I'll just go over everywhere I get red and wherever I have blemishes. I'll just blend that in. I'm just adding more concealer wherever I see more redness. And then I'll go in with my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Fair Neutral. And I just brighten up my under eyes with this concealer. This really helps me to look awake in the mornings. The Shape Tape is so full coverage that it really covers up all of my redness around my eyes and helps me to look awake very quickly. I am a very oily person. No, I have very oily skin, so I like to set my face with a powder. Today I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Setting Powder. And I'm going to use this Morphe M438 brush just to set my under eyes. Then I'll just go in with that same tiny brush and I'll set wherever I get oily the most, so which is my T-zone. Then I'll go in with a more fluffy face brush and I'll just put that powder all over my face. And I just like to stamp it in. Alright, next I go into my favorite eyeliner. This is the Radial Smokey Eye Pen. I love using gels. I think my eyes are allergic to the wooden eye pencils because I always seem to get watery eyes after I use wooden eyeliner pencils, so I like to go in with a gel pencil. It's just super easy, and I like to just line my eyes with that. And I'm just going to do the top eye, and then I'm going to do the outer corner of the bottom eye. I find that this really makes my eyes look awake and alert and open and bigger. Then I'd just like to brush out my eyebrows and my eyelashes and get them ready for mascara. For mascara, I'm just going to use my L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise in the shade Mystic Black. You can use whatever mascara you like. I find that this mascara really makes my eyelashes look voluminous and full, and I like that look for work for sure. I usually like to do about 2 coats of mascara so that my eyes are really looking awake. All right, and then to give my face a little bit more definition, I like to go into the Benefit Hoola bronzer and just warm up my skin with this. I'll put it in the hollows of my cheeks and a little bit on my cheekbones. And around the hairline a little bit, and underneath the chin and on my neck, to give my neck a little bit of warmth. Maybe a little bit on my nose and again on the cheeks. Yeah, that's it. Super easy. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy makeup tutorial for work or school. Please subscribe if you would like to see more beauty and lifestyle videos. I post every Tuesday and I try to post on Saturdays. Hope you guys have a great rest of your week and I'll see you soon. Bye!